This video, we're going to look at how we can utilize the Python's capability by calling the Python script through Excel VBA. What I'm showing you here right now is basically the overall flow of how this thing is done. So we started off with the Excel VBA script. This Excel VBA script will trigger the Windows batch file. Then the batch file itself will set up the Python environment, execute the Python code. The Python code itself will generate output after some processing. In the end, this output file can be effectively used by Excel VBA for further processing. Then we complete this process in a loop. Now let's look at the actual demo and the code walkthrough.
What I get here is a button which will make a call to run Python script. Okay. Strictly speaking, we're running a Windows bat file and then run Python script. But I'm just making things a bit easy to read. Okay. So we run this, and you see Windows command window pops up. This window will make a call to the bat file, and then within the bat file, we will trigger the call to the Python file. Okay, now we're popping up the first message telling us, okay, the first argument being read into the Python script is 1. The second one is 2. This is what I expect to see. And then it will produce a result of 3, and then we will generate the output. So we just say my result. Okay, now we are coming back to the VBA script after everything was executed. Okay, then let's check what we got. So if I search output, you see I got my result as a name of the result data here, 3, being produced in this output file. Okay, let's now look at the code. We start with the VBA. Okay, within VBA code, it's really simple. We create a shell object. This shell object will run the Windows bat file, which we named the env.bat. Okay, and then if now we move back to the env.bat file. Okay, so within the env.bat file, we do mainly 2 things. So first thing is we set up the conduct environment we want the Python to be running. Okay, so as you can see here, we're just setting up a few environment variable to be called up on. Okay, and then we make a call to this particular environment to activate it. And then the line 17 here is basically we're just making a call to that Python after that environment being set up. Okay, now let's move to the Python bit. So after we call the main.py, what's happening in the main.py is, as I mentioned earlier, very simple, add 2 numbers together, and then output to an output file. Okay, so really that's it for this video. If you like it, give a thumbs up. If you like to see more video like this, do give a comments below of what you like to see, and then I'm quite happy to produce future videos alike. Okay, thank you.